Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today, I'm going to be sharing how to make one of my favorite meals, crispy chicken tacos. These tacos are going to change your Taco Tuesday. Honestly, I would make these tacos any day of the week. The chicken in these tacos is baked, not fried. So this is a great healthy alternative to any fried chicken tacos. And if you're curious how to make these, stick around and I'll show you exactly how to make them. The chicken tenderloins are first dipped in a mixture of coconut milk and chopped cilantro, then rolled in a combination of panko breadcrumbs, cornmeal, and unsweetened coconut, and some spices. When the chicken is done baking, you can serve them on a warmed up corn tortilla and then top them with a sweet and spicy slaw and some cilantro lime sauce. If you like the fried chicken tacos from our taco, then you'll love this recipe. Here's a look at the ingredients that we will be using for this recipe, and I will leave a link below. It is on cityfoodiefarm.com. And as you can see in this recipe, we are using all wholesome ingredients. Some cilantro, some oranges, limes, jalapeños, purple cabbage, coconut milk, and some mayo, panko breadcrumbs, cornmeal, and some unsweetened coconut and some spices. First, we'll start by adding our panko breadcrumbs to a Ziploc bag, our cornmeal, unsweetened coconut, and our spices. And then mix it around. Once you mix it up, it's ready to go. Now we need to open up our coconut milk, pour it into a low dish, and adding chopped cilantro is optional. Honestly, I forgot when making this, but it still turns out delicious. So if you want chopped cilantro in there, add it. But the most important part is whisking it together. Sometimes coconut can separate, and so you'll want to whisk it together. Now grab a plate and add your panko breadcrumb mixture onto the plate, and grab your chicken tenderloins. You will need about a pound, and open the package and have it ready on a plate. Start by grabbing your chicken tenderloin and dipping it into the coconut mixture, and then into the panko breadcrumb mixture, and making sure it is covered evenly. And then onto the cookie sheet that's lined with parchment paper. And continue this process until all of your chicken has been coated. And make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And now your chicken is ready to go in the oven. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees for 50 minutes. And as your chicken cooks, you will be prepping your sweet and spicy slaw and your cilantro lime sauce. So first we'll start with the sweet and spicy slaw. You will need 2 cups of thinly sliced purple cabbage. Next, you will need to juice 1 orange with a hand juicer. And if you see any seeds, try to remove them, but the pulp is just fine. And next, we will need the juice of half a lime. This orange and lime juice will be part of your sweet and spicy slaw. So pour in your purple cabbage in a bowl and add in 1 jalapeno, chopped jalapeno, and pour in your orange and lime juice. And season it with a half a teaspoon of salt. And then 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. And then add in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then mix it together and set it aside. Your sweet and spicy slaw is ready. And now it's time to make your cilantro lime sauce. Grab a bowl and add 1 cup of mayo and the zest of 1 lime. And next add the juice of 1 1/2 limes. And now mix it together. And now add in 2 big handfuls of cilantro. And lastly, add in half a teaspoon of salt. Then mix it and set it aside. This sauce is so tangy and so delicious, and it's gonna taste so amazing with your crispy chicken tacos. Now everything is ready and your crispy chicken tacos are done cooking. So take them out of the oven and you can cut them into little pieces. And now you'll want to warm your corn tortilla on the stovetop And now add a couple pieces of your crispy chicken to your tortilla. And then top it with some of your sweet and spicy slaw. And then drizzle on some cilantro lime sauce. And then lastly, top it with some cilantro leaves. And that's it. Your crispy chicken tacos are ready to eat. I hope you enjoy this delicious change for a Taco Tuesday. I hope this recipe turns into a family favorite. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks so much. And until next time, happy cooking.